Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick, and today we're out and about in Chiang Mai at Jalern Market, and we're out looking at a salted barbecue fish stall. So let's show you how they make the salted fish. Right guys, the first job then, they light the barbecue. Get the barbecue coals going. Once the barbecue is going, they've got to start prepping the fish. Now the fish comes in, and the fish comes in already gutted inside, but it's not split open, it's actually taken out from inside the gills. So it's more or less a factory farm fish actually. And then what they do, they get the pandan leaves and they stuff the pandan leaf into the fish. Stuff it down the gill. Now this stall does upwards of 55 to 60 barbecue fish every single day. I don't think this is a job that I would want, but so everyone is stuffed with a pandan leaf. Quite a good sized fish. And then they serve up various vegetables with the barbecued fish. Sawtooth, coriander, lettuce, mint, sweet basil leaves. Some cabbage. And basically what you do, you help yourself. And you just put it in a bag. Now, if you don't want to help yourself, the staff will actually put it in a bag for you. It's a good service. And going with the fish and all the veggies, we have our white rice noodles. And also you get a bag of seafood sauce, spicy seafood sauce. And you can have a bag of peanuts and ginger cubed up. It all comes part of the sale of your fish when you buy the fish. Our seafood sauce, peanuts and ginger. When the barbecue's nice and warm, you spread out the briquettes under the positions of where the fish is going to be barbecued. And then they add just a couple more briquettes on top of that. Now the fish is actually skewered, but not through the fish, skewered with these stainless steel fish skewers, for want of a better word. And then salt is just brushed over the fish. It's not actually layered on in a massive thickness, it's just pushed over, and that is a salted fish. And then obviously we've got to put it on the barbecue. Now this, to cook the fish, it normally takes around about 20 minutes to a half an hour. for the fish to be fully cooked. A good clean down, clean off all the salt bits that are on there from putting the fish on the barbecue. It's got to be ready for the customers. Now this fish sells for between 150 and 160 baht per fish, including your veg and your sauces. Now to be quite honest, I couldn't tell the difference between 150 baht and 160 baht fish. They're all the same size. But I suppose if you say 160 baht fish, they make an extra 10 baht. It's quite a fantastic way actually to barbecue the fish, turning round on a rotary system, because obviously the fish oils and that go all the way around the fish as it gets barbecued and the salt crusted on. It's a very, very even cook. Now like I said, what you can do, you can pick your own veg. Put your own veg in a bag with your sauce and your noodles to go with your fish. Now this is a very, very busy barbecue fish stall. Now there's no dine-in facilities or anything, it is actual takeaway. You just buy it, take it away and eat it at home. And as the fish is taken off and served to the customers, on with a new fish. So what happens with the fish once it's been barbecued, they actually take off the skewer type system and then they make a cut along the back of the fish, which helps you to open up the fish to start eating. And then when you start eating at home, you flip the fish over and just take out the meat from the other side. Very easy actually. And a very quick way to actually have your dinner on the table when you walk in the house without all the mess and the carry on. Right guys, all that is left to do now, we've seen it being made, all we've got to do now is buy 2 fish for dinner. So let's get 2 fish for dinner. Come on. So that's it, that's the 2 fish cut ready and in a bag. Now I'm not lazy, but you know, I know that the staff will actually give me a good amount of veg in the bags. So I let the staff put the veg in the bags for me. It's a fantastic service actually. So that's it. That's how they make salt-crusted tilapia fish. So easy. So if you come to Thailand, you know how it's made. You can buy a fish, take it away and enjoy it at home. Now guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll catch you next time.